This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Lynn Johnson. Sellers to review offers at noon Sunday, May 9, 2020. Great floor plan in this Gallaher Station beauty. Master on the main, beautifully updated kitchen, split upper level with 2 beds and a loft area and a separate bonus with a closet that could be a 4th bedroom. Living room has cathedral ceilings, built-in bookcases and a wood-burning fireplace. Gas can be added. Screened porch overlooking a level, private backyard with new fencing. Location is prime and so is the floor plan. Don't miss out. For more information, review the details below or contact Lynn Johnson at 865-693-1111.